Today I'm going to show you how to use Ultimate Text Video Prompt Generator and what kind of things you can do with it. First, we have 4 buttons. One creates a step-by-step film. The second uploads your own script and works from there, or you can copy and paste. The third creates a short TV commercial with ideas, and then you pick which one you like. The fourth is for a music video with lyrics. Generating lyrics for your music video. Let's dive in. We are going to use the first one, create a film with consistent character details. I can select one of these, like a future film. I'm giving the film title Treasure Island, and then a small information about the film because I want to do it from the real story. Let's see. It starts writing all the character details of the story, asking to move forward, which I will say yes, next. Now it will create a screenplay, then create the keyframes, a list of keyframes, and then create details for each keyframe to use as a short prompt. There are 12 shots for this scene. I will ask to add character details in each shot because sometimes ChatGPT might skip that part. Please add all character details present in the set in the shot. Then I will do next shot, adding now here next shot. We have created 5 shots. Let me see if it can create 2 shots at once. Create shot 6 and shot 7. 6, 7. Now I will give 8, 9. Next, create shot 10, 11, 12. Let's see. We finished the 12 shots. I go to blink shot and create all these shots, visuals. Next. As you can see, I very easily and quickly created all the images. I know which prompt is what. This is the last part. You can do the same. Use your favorite image generator, create your images, and then animate them. Or just use text to video, which I will do next. Let's go to our website. Let's start generating. This is our first prompt. As you can see, the process is very fast. I just copy and paste. We are inside our video generator, Hailuo AI. Let's see what we get. The first prompt was this. Hailuo AI is not good when it comes to writing text over the items or inside the video. You can see there is some issue with typing. The quality is good. Character consistency. It tries to keep the same character. Sometimes you have to check the prompt to be sure everything is in place. For example, it was a close-up and it lost the closest of BB Bones because I think there are 2 names and it generates something randomly. Like here, this is the same guy without a close-up, like with a blue jacket. In this case, there is a small issue, a word which is glow. When you add glow in your prompt, Hailuo usually generates a kind of 3D look. This one is not much 3D, but the eyes are a little different. If I copy this and try to generate again, just remove this glow. Let's see if this one is faster. Our video is done. I remove the glow and this looks like the same prompt, much better. There is no 3D look. Glow is a prohibited word if you want a cinematic or realistic video. Do not use anything which is glow, neon, or that kind of words, as Hailuo AI brings it to 3D or cartoonish type of video. We are back to Ultimate Text to Video Prompt Generator. Now we are going to create a different way. We are going to create a shot inside this chat, very simple. I will say, create a shot, a man walking in the street in New York. Let's see what happens. This is our prompt. We can generate the video. Next I will say, next shot. Next, I will put he Jonathan inside a coffee shop, and I will put Jonathan. Let's see. This is the last one. Next, I will generate this for one more shot. Next, Jonathan meets Sophia. We have 5 shots. I am going to generate all these shots. Videos are done. I just generated all these 5 videos. I just generate one more. Quality is very good. This is one way you can do and keep doing your story. Keep writing your prompts, asking what to do with the characters, and it will do. This is a good way to do it. We are back to our ultimate text to video prompt generator. Now we are going to create prompts using our film script. I will drop it here. It will start reading the script, but this is a full movie script. I don't think it can read all, but it selects all the character names, all the scene names. I will say, yes, create the short prompt. This is for the first one. Next prompt. It skips some scenes, I said, giving me each scene keyframe. This will be like each of this will be a short. I will say, go and create. It will create each. I asked to create scene 1. The first short, good, I will ask. Next short of scene 1. Third short of scene 1. Sometimes it starts missing character details for all. You don't see it. I will add character details. To be sure, it's doing like this. You see, it's giving me the character details. Correct, I will do. How many shorts were there? Short 4. Short 4, scene 1. This way you can generate all your movie script in shorts. Copy and paste all these shorts. Generate the videos, and sometime you need one keyframe to another keyframe, a close-up, or something different, like an object shot. You can generate that. Asking inside ChatGPT to generate one extra short, tell what you want to generate. It will keep everything consistent. I will copy all these prompts, generate the video, we'll come back and show. It generates the script shorts by scene. For the first time, it did one per scene. You can see it's keeping the outfit, everything similar. This one, I recreated the first scene. You can see it's running away. Sometimes it generates a strange animation. There is a problem in the prompt. You have to remove something. It will fix it. Generally, it keeps doing all these shorts, keeping all consistent. You can work with this. You don't need image generation. Directly from text to video, you can do image to video, generating the shorts, make animations. We have a YouTube channel. You can find more tutorials. We have around 25 tutorials using Ultimate Text to Video Prompt Generator, combining with different video generator AIs. See the results. Visit our Patreon website, subscribe on Patreon, download assets, prompts related to creating a video. Follow us on x.com. That's it for today. Bye-bye.